Hi everyone, welcome to Tech AI Explain. Today we are going to discuss about overfitting and underfitting in machine learning. Assume you are prepared for an examination. If you memorize every question from last year's paper, you risk failing if the questions change. This is known as overfitting in artificial intelligence. What if you don't study much and don't really comprehend the subject? You will fail because you are unprepared for any question. This is known as underfitting in artificial intelligence or machine learning. So, overfitting occurs when a machine learning model learns the training data too well, resulting in noise and unneeded features. It works well on training data but poorly on new data. Now, underfitting occurs when the model is too simplistic to learn the pattern in the data, resulting in poor performance overall. Why does this matter? In real life, we want models that balance learning, not too much or too little. That's how we ensure that the AI perform well with both training and unseen data. Finding this is a balance similar to preparing for a live test. Learn enough but don't memorize everything. Thank you so much for watching us. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more tech lessons.